Hello everyone. I was craving something crispy, spicy, and comforting, and this Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat was the first thing that came to my mind. Come, let's make this crispy, spicy, tangy, and sweet Aloo Tikki. Welcome all to my YouTube kitchen. I'm boiling few potatoes. Pressure cook for just 2 whistles. Once cooled, we will grate them. I'm dropping them in cold water. Let it cool. Now we will peel all of them. Now we will grate them. Now I'm adding around 10 tablespoons of cornflour starch. It will help bind and gives crispiness. I'm adding little coriander leaves and half a tablespoon of salt to it. We will mix them all well together. You can also substitute with breadcrumbs, rice flour, or arrowroot powder if needed. Everything is mixed well now. Let's keep this aside and move on to the next preparation. To prepare the chole, soak them overnight. But if you have missed that, you can soak them in hot water with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda for a quicker version, at least for 2 to 3 hours. We will pressure cook the chole up to 3 whistles. All the spices, masalas are ready. This is going to be a flavor bound. And now for the masala topping, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of black salt or normal salt, 1 teaspoon toasted cumin powder. Mix them all well together. Keep it aside. Now the sweet chutney preparation. I have used dry dates, little tamarind. I have soaked both of them in water for a little while before grinding. Jaggery powder around 3 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half lime juice, salt to taste. Grind all this to a fine paste, and you can also strain them before cooking. Adding turmeric powder and chilli powder. Mix them all well together. Adding little salt to balance the flavor. Let it cook until it turns thick and flavorful. Our tamarind and dry date chutney is ready. Now we will start preparing for the chole filling. To a pan, I am adding a tablespoon of butter. Once it melts, in goes 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, followed by 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic and 1 finely chopped green chilies. Now I am adding 1 1/2 cups of peas, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, salt to taste, and finally a tablespoon of prepared potato mix. Give everything a good mix. For the yogurt sauce, mix half cup curd with roasted cumin powder, Sugar, Kashmiri chili, black salt, and pepper. Stir well. Our yogurt sauce is ready. For green chutney, blend half cup tightly packed coriander and mint leaves with ginger, garlic, 1 green chilies and salt to taste. You will prepare the chole now. To a pan, I'm adding little oil, then 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon Asafoetida, 2 teaspoon grated ginger and garlic pieces, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, roasted cumin, 1 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder. Let's mix everything together. Adding 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste. Now adding the boiled chickpeas, we will mix it all together well. Add little water. We don't need a very watery chole. We need a very thick chole. Now I'm adding the roasted crushed kasuri methi to it, around 2 tablespoons. It's all cooked well now. We'll give it a good mix, and then finally we will add coriander leaves. Our chole is ready now. We will start frying the tikkis now. I have added oil to the pan for frying. Wet the palms and take 2 tablespoons of potato mixture. Flatten out in your palms and create a divot in the center. Now add a teaspoon of pea filling and now pinch the edges and encase the filling completely. Roll it into a smooth ball. Then gently flatten it and cook the tikkis in hot ghee or oil. Cook until brown and crispy. Now we will repeat with remaining tikkis. Take 2 tablespoons of potato mixture, flatten out in your palm, create a divot, add a teaspoon of pea filling, pinch the edges and encase the filling completely. Roll it into a smooth ball and flatten it and cook the tikkis in hot oil until brown and crispy. This Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat was evolved in the street food culture of North India, especially chaatwalas, street vendors near markets, railway stations, and also some old chaat shop in Lucknow and Delhi have been serving it for generations. Crispy tikkis with hot chole layered with chutneys and toppings. It is a perfect street style comfort food. This is predominantly originated from Uttar Pradesh, also very popular in Delhi and Punjab. There is something magical about Indian street food. Every bite is a mix of memories, flavors, and warmth. Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat was always something I enjoyed from roadside stalls. Crispy on the outside, spicy and tangy inside, and that burst of chutneys on top. I have always wanted to recreate that magic at home, and today I finally did it. Street style chaat made with love in my kitchen. This dish is a true comfort food. Crispy potato tikkis, wholesome protein rich chole, and fresh herbs and chutneys bringing it all together. It's not just tasty, it's filling, satisfying, and full of vibrant flavors in every bite. A perfect balance of crispy, spicy, tangy, and nutritious. This chat is comfort food at its best. All the tikkis are fried now. We will get ready to plate them. Everything is ready enough. Chole, tamarind chutney, mint and coriander chutney, yogurt sauce, and the crispy potato tikkis. We will start plating now. Place the hot crispy tikkis on a plate. Top it with generous ladle of spicy chole. Add a spoonful of the yogurt sauce, refreshing green chutney. Sprinkle little chaat masala. Now drizzle the sweet tamarind chutney and some chopped onions, tomatoes and fresh coriander leaves. And there you go. Street style Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat ready to enjoy. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such delicious street style recipes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and happy cooking.